Hello everyone and welcome back. I'll start off this video with a question. What makes a good English lesson? Well, if you're curious about the answer, just follow along and you'll get to learn this new meaning of the verb make that will make you sound more advanced, or at least more advanced than you already are. So, keep watching, but not before you press on my subscribe button down below and give this lesson a like if you're interested in getting better at English. Well, the answer to the question is keeping it simple, short, and entertaining. That's what makes a good English lesson to me. How about you? And I think you've already guessed that make in this context means to be or become if something has the right qualities or properties. So, for example, if someone is good at cooking, we could say, you could make a very good chef. You could make a very good chef. So this means that he has the right qualities to become what? To become a chef one day. Or another example might be, you are just noticing that somebody has got talent with teaching, and you say with your patience and talent you will make a great teacher. You'll make a fantastic teacher. Now it's time to practice. Over to you. Take any life situation that you know and try to use the verb make while using the answer. Why don't we play a game actually? I'm going to give you this life situations and you'll have to include make with the meaning that we've just talked about in the answer when giving the answer. Let's see. 1. What do you consider to be healthy? I already have my example. Apples make a great snack. They'll put an end to cravings and sugar intake. See, I've used it. Hope you'll put your comments in your examples down below. And another example would be, what is some advice for growing your savings? Let's see my example now. A set amount of your salary will make a great start for that. How about you? And finally, the last one. What is the best place for relaxation after a super busy day? My example now. Quiet nature spots make the perfect place for decompression after the day-to-day hassle. What is your answer? Leave it here and also give this video a like if you think it's helped you grow your English, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.